push me
No.
in.
Just keep it away from your face now, because it has spark. Keep it away from your face. There you go.
Troy, hold it out. Hold your arm out.
There you go.
Hey, oh, it's going out.
Here. Put it down.
Yes. Hold it way down there. Keep it away.
Wait, let me see. Here, let me light it.
Quick, light another one. Throw it down.
Throw it here. Throw it down. Throw it down.
At the end. Here it is.
Whoop.
Dad, this grass is really dry.
That's the way
Don't put it in your face, Troy. All right, hold it out here. We'll do another one more, okay? And then you can do the rest of them tomorrow.
Don't throw it down.
Ooh. Good night.
Here, Troy. Here. There you go. Hold it out. Hold it out away from you. Okay, you've got like 3 or 4 more. You can do them tomorrow night. You and Dad, okay?
See how that's still flaming? Look at that.
Yeah.
I can see where that could catch something on
Yeah.
fire. Hold it out, way out.